Okay, I made a little swatch so I can show you some different stitches here. This is all knits on the bottom in stockinette. So on one side, the front work side, it would be knit, and then on the back side, it is all purls. And then I've got a little section of knit purl, so you can see all of the knits are V's like below, and then all of the bumps on this side are purls, and it is exactly the opposite on the other side. So all of the knits on this side were purls on the other side. And then I've got a little row of seed stitch where you mix up, instead of doing all the knits above each other, you do like a checkerboard. So you do knit on all the places that you knit on one side, then when you're working on the back you purl them. They all have their own sort of uses and everyone has their own preference, but basically with these two stitches you can make a lot of different things in different combinations.